Learn English to Gujarati business vocabulary. Competition 2.
નફાકારકતા.
Welcome to the bazaar. Hey, you are about to walk into the funniest business lesson in town. Today you will learn English words through lively Gujarati expressions you can actually remember. Welcome to Mango and Mayhem Market, where every shopkeeper thinks they are a genius, every customer thinks they are a negotiator, and one goat is somehow head of sales. In this market, there is fierce
સ્પર્ધા.
between two tea stalls. One sells serious tea for serious thinkers. The other sells tea so good your spreadsheet smiles. Because of this
સ્પર્ધા.
prices wobble, signs get brighter, and both owners suddenly become poetry experts. Meanwhile, a tiny snack stand proudly announces that its
માર્કેટ શેર.
has grown from one loyal cousin to 3 curious tourists and a confused pigeon. That may not sound impressive, but in this bazaar, that is basically an empire. Your word mission today. You do not need a suit or a boardroom voice for this lesson. You only need curiosity, a sense of humor, and maybe an imaginary calculator. Your key words today are competition, market share, demand, offer, price level, value creation, and profitability. In Gujarati, competition is
સ્પર્ધા.
market share is
માર્કેટ શેર.
demand is
માંગ.
offer is
ઓફર.
price level is
ભાવ સ્તર.
value creation is
મૂલ્ય સર્જન.
profitability is.
નફાકારકતા.
Say them with me once more, slowly.
સ્પર્ધા. માર્કેટ શેર. માંગ. ઓફર. ભાવ સ્તર. મૂલ્ય સર્જન. નફાકારકતા.
A ridiculous market story. Now let us lock the words into your memory with a silly scene. The stranger the scene, the better your brain behaves. You arrive at the market and see 2 juice sellers in dramatic.
સ્પર્ધા.
One has a megaphone. The other has a louder megaphone and a lemon wearing sunglasses. Both want a bigger.
માર્કેટ શેર.
So they shout about freshness, speed, and emotional support oranges. Suddenly the weather gets hot, and customer
માંગ.
for cold drinks shoots up. The sellers panic and invent a special.
ઓફર.
Buy 1 juice, get 1 motivational quote from the cashier. Because the whole city is crowded, the
ભાવ સ્તર.
for fruit is high. Even bananas look expensive enough to demand bodyguards. Then a clever seller starts real.
મૂલ્ય સર્જન.
By adding clean cups, fast service, and better taste instead of just louder shouting. And guess what happens? Customers return, sales rise, and the business finally improves its.
નફાકારકતા.
So yes, the lemon in sunglasses was funny, but good service was smarter. Mini dialogue drill. Let us make the words speak. Listen, repeat, and enjoy the fact that these shopkeepers are more dramatic than movie villains. A. Why are both shops lowering prices? B. Because there is strong.
સ્પર્ધા.
A. What does the company want this year? B. A bigger.
માર્કેટ શેર.
A. Why are the shelves empty? B. Because
માંગ.
is very high. A. Is there a discount today? B. Yes, there is a special.
ઓફર.
A. Is this city expensive? B. Yes, the
ભાવ સ્તર.
is high. A. What helps a business grow in a smart way? B.
મૂલ્ય સર્જન.
A. What do investors want to see? B. Better.
નફાકારકતા.
Quick memory tricks. Here comes the cheat code section. These tiny memory hooks can save your brain from doing interpretive dance instead of learning. Picture 2 rivals facing off for
સ્પર્ધા.
competition is a contest, a business battle, or a race to win attention. Imagine a pie chart for.
Market share.
Your market share is your slice of the business pie. Imagine a crowd reaching for the same product for.
Mang.
If many people want it, demand is high. See a bright sale sign for.
Offer.
An offer is a deal, proposal, or special chance. Visualize rising numbers for.
भाव स्तर.
This means the general level of prices. Think of turning ideas into benefits for.
मूल्य सर्जन.
That is value creation. Picture profits smiling politely for.
नफाकारकता.
Profitability is not just sales, it is how well a business earns. Challenge time. Okay, your turn. I will ask, you answer in your head or out loud like a proud market genius. What is the Gujarati word for competition?
स्पर्धा.
What is the Gujarati term for market share?
Market share.
If many customers want a product, what is the Gujarati word for demand?
Mang.
If a shop gives a special deal, what word do you use for offer?
Offer.
How do you say price level in Gujarati?
भाव स्तर.
What word means value creation?
मूल्य सर्जन.
And what is profitability in Gujarati?
नफाकारकता.
Bonus question. Which is smarter, shouting louder or creating better service? Definitely.
मूल्य सर्जन.
The goat agrees. Friendly conclusion. You made it through the bazaar without buying 12 imaginary mangoes, and that is real discipline. More importantly, you learned useful business vocabulary in Gujarati. Today you practiced competition as.
स्पर्धा.
Market share as.
Market share.
Demand as.
मांग.
Offer as.
Offer.
Price level as.
भाव स्तर.
Value creation as.
मूल्य सर्जन.
And profitability as.
नफाकारकता.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, repeat the words aloud, and come back to them tomorrow so they stick in your memory. You are doing great, and your language skills are already growing stronger.